on, everyone? Welcome back to another unboxing. This is, I think, like the third one now I'm doing. Maybe the fourth? I think it's the third though. This one I'm particularly really excited about. It's kind of random. It's not something I really planned, but it's also something that I've never ever owned before, and so I'm super excited about this one. I ordered it last week. No, this week. Well, when I'm recording it, it's the new week, but do you count Sundays as, for those of you who don't count Sundays as the new week, then I got it within the same week. If you do count Sundays as the new week, then I got it a week later. Besides the point, it came in like 3 days. I'm super excited about that. I know I say that about everything because I am super excited about all of them. But this, like I said, something I've never owned before. I don't know what to expect. I've never purchased from this company before. I've never purchased this style of whatever this is before.
Jacket?
No jacket this time. So yeah, I this is totally blind. I have no idea what to expect, but that's making me even more excited about this. And without further ado, let's get right on into cutting this bad boy open.
Seriously?
There we go. Blue box! Can you see what's inside?
No.
Oh, what is this? What is this? What is this? A bag that you would put the shoe in? I don't know. Alright, so right here I have the Marc Nolan Kyler White. You can see right there, Kyler White, size 9. Does it show like a... No, it doesn't give like a little graphic of the shoe. So this is basically a double monk sneaker. It's not like a dressy kind of double monk shoe, but it's a double monk sneaker. Comes with a bag. I still don't really know what the purpose of these is. I think it's like if you're traveling, and you need to put your shoes, keep them clean from, other stuff. I think that's what it is.
Dust bag.
Is it really a dust bag though? Maybe it's a dust bag. I don't know. Maybe it is. I have no idea. But remember my last video? Not my last video. My leather jacket video, how I said that I like when companies, they'll add little details to really show you that, they care for their product and they're giving you a quality product. Things like this is what I mean. Like, they could have just shipped me some shoes and I'd be fine with that. I'm not looking for these kind of things, but when you do get it, it's like, that's pretty neat. That's a really cool thing that they did. I'm gonna Google what the purpose of this is. I'm gonna find out and I'm gonna use it because I'm pretty sure it's meant for some kind of shoe care. But these are the little details that I like. It's super soft. I think it's some kind of maybe faux suede. Like, feel that. Feel that. Oh. Sorry. Like, they didn't have to give me that.
It's soft.
And it smelled good. They never had to give me that. But they gave it. Right? But they gave it to me anyway. Like, just things like that is what I like. It just shows that this company takes itself seriously and they want to just make you feel like you bought some quality stuff. You know what I'm talking about?
Mm-hmm.
But I guess that's enough jibber jabber. Let's get into the part that you really came here for. And it's these bad boys right here. And boy, oh boy, are these beautiful. Right off the bat, I'm already impressed. It's got a tumbled leather. I don't know if you can see that. Is it in focus? I don't know. But it's got a tumbled leather running from the tongue all the way down, all over the upper. The entire upper has a tumbled leather. What is that? It's got some red ones. Okay. Yeah, it's coming out. That might just be from like packaging or something. Oh, wait a second. And it comes with the shoehorn. Look at this. Would you look at that? See, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. I didn't have to, the amount of, not to rip athletic wear, even though you don't really need one of these, but like, dude, seriously, come on. Seriously. They did not have to give me this stuff. I don't know what this does. I do know what this does. But they didn't have to give this to me. They could have just shipped me some shoes and I would have been good. Because I got what I wanted, but they went the extra mile. It's like things like that just, it just does something for me. It gets me excited. It makes me want to go back to that company. Because who knows? I could buy 4 or 5 more shoes from them. And next thing you know, I got a whole collection of suede bags and shoehorns that I can use to slip these on and off. Like, I don't know. Maybe, I don't know.
Call me old-fashioned.
Man, that kind of stuff just gets me going. Yeah, I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm at a loss of words right now. But anyway, so this is the Kyler White. Like I said, it's a double monk sneaker, so it's a little more casual than a double monk dress shoe. It's in white. I don't know why they say it's white, because it's more like a bone, cream, beige, whatever your fancy is. It's more like that color. It's got an all white outsole with a ridged pattern going around the toe box right there. Right, and then the rest of the outsole until you get back to the heel is just straight up smooth. Like I said, it's a tumbled leather. It's pretty soft. It's a really soft leather. I like that. I think from the specs they said it was genuine leather, so don't quote me on that, but I think that's what they said. I'm gonna give you guys some on foot shots as well, just so you can see what it looks like. I got on some pants that should make it look not too bad. But yeah, I mean, not a lot of moving parts to it, not a lot going on. I probably should have brought my double monk dress shoe to show you as a side-by-side of what it looks like compared to a double monk shoe, just to show you just how casual these look. But since I don't have it, just go ahead and Google double monk dress shoe and you'll see just how much these differ. They don't have a hard bottom, it's just a soft rubber sole. These are like perfect for date night. If you're going out with whether it's your girl or something, or you're going out for a first date, these would be perfect. You can wear these with chinos, jeans, shorts. I honestly would say these are perfect summertime shoes. You know, the lockdown's starting to let up a bit. I don't know how many people are outside where you live, but these would be a great shoe to use to get back out there, go to the beach, go to a, I don't know, waterside restaurant, something, bar, whatever, but these to me scream summertime. Wearing with some no-show socks like I got on right now and I'm gonna show you guys, wearing with shorts, linen, like the possibilities are endless. Like, this is such a versatile shoe. You can do so much with it, so much. Anything you can think of, you can wear these shoes with it, for the most part. And don't try to get crazy and throw on like a football jersey and wear these. But for the most part, anything, t-shirt, polo, button-up, flannel, suit, what am I missing? Bomber jacket, keep it going, cardigan, anything, sweater, whatever. The possibilities are endless. I honestly think you guys, if you're looking for something different, if you're in the market for a more casual shoe, of course you can get a lace up. It'll be fine. You'll look fine, but man, I'm telling you, put these on, you're gonna look better than 95% of the guys that's out there right now. If you put on a suit and put these on, as opposed to Joe Schmo who put on a suit and just put on some regular dress shoes, I think you're gonna stand out a lot more. make it a t-shirt underneath the suit. Just go somewhere daytime, maybe somewhere sunny. I don't know, go to a bar, go to a restaurant, whatever. But put these on, and I'm telling you, you're gonna get compliments. I'm guaranteed. If you don't get a compliment wearing some double monk sneakers like these, then I'm gonna personally make a video apologizing to whoever you are and say, hey Meshach, you know what? I took your advice, I wore these, and you know what? I didn't get any compliments. And I'm gonna say, you know what? Jerome, I'm sorry, my bad, you know what? I messed up, I should quit YouTube. Alright, but in all seriousness though, this brand, the shoe was only like $100. It's super affordable. They're even doing Afterpay. Hell, that's what I used. I'm telling you, look at me. I'm telling you, wear these. It doesn't even have to be this brand, although this brand is sick. Well, at least aesthetically. But get you some double monk sneakers. Be different. Be different. Don't just wear the same thing all the time. If you're going out on a date, you don't have to be all stuffy, throw on a suit with a tie, or throw on a dress shirt with some hard bottoms. Put some of these on. Your date's gonna go, oh my gosh, I love your shoes. And then you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, this date's going so well so far because I'm already getting compliments. Alright, so once again, this is just my initial impressions. I'm gonna do a full detailed review of these after I've worn them a few times, kind of breaking them in, giving you my perspective on just how they feel. Are they comfortable? Do they get dirty quickly? Can I get these red marks out? Because I think I can. I scratched out a little bit already. But I mean, right off the bat, is it right off the bat? You know the saying, like right off the bat.
Right off the bat.
Is
say it fast enough to where I don't even. Yeah, right off the bat.
Right off the bat.
Don't matter what the.
I'm gonna put a poll up. Some here, wherever. I'm gonna put a poll up. Is it right off the bat? Please let me know, because I have no idea and I don't want to go around the wrong kind of people. Right off the bat, and then they're looking at me like I'm stupid. But right off for this video, right off the bat, I'm very impressed. I love how they look. They're super clean. They're not busy. They're super simple. They've got the gold accents that pop just enough. It says white colorway, but I'm telling you that it's kind of cream. Alright, like always, I'm gonna link everything down below in the description box, and I think the comments as well, to my social media, to my Instagram, to my Facebook, and most importantly to my blog, where you will visit once that blog review goes up in full detail, outfits, how to style it, what I think about this shoe, the whole shebang. It's all gonna be written in review on my blog. Follow me on Instagram so you can know just when I post it, so that we can shoot on over, get some ideas, buy some shoes like this, and then start handing out neck braces, because you're breaking everybody's necks when you walk past them. Okay? So, with that being said, always a pleasure, peeps, till we put the pieces together the next time.
Pieces of the puzzle. Got those pieces of the puzzle. Pieces of the puzzle. Got those pieces of the puzzle. Yeah.